Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Arnav Akansh Creativity. So today in this video, I will be going to share with you 10 lines on National Unity Day in English. This day is celebrated on the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So let's start this video. National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October every year to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. National Unity Day is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. National Unity Day is celebrated every year to encourage unity, peace, and love among the people. National Unity Day was first celebrated in the year 2014. This day is celebrated to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai was the first Deputy Prime Minister and great personality in maintaining peace in India. A statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was installed in Gujarat's Narmada district on the occasion of his 143rd birthday. National Unity Day is a day that conveys the message to stay united forever. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Next one, important one, and the last one is that Run for Unity was a special program started in 2014 in New Delhi on the occasion of National Unity Day.